QA work is assigned inside VQFlow as assessments tied to a real review batch, sampled media items, categories, and a QA lifecycle. You will be notified by email and by SMS every time QA work is assigned to you. In either case, click on the button in the email or SMS to be taken to the assessment that has been assigned to you. You will need to log in with your QA Data Manager account first before you can get to your assigned assessment. Every time you open an assigned assessment, VQFlow may show the dataset-specific tutorial before media loads. Complete it first for that assessment. That tutorial explains the dataset, categories, examples, and rules for the assignment. Do not skip a dataset tutorial because it looks familiar. QA managers can move between assessments from similar but different datasets, and small rule differences can change the correct decision. After the dataset tutorial is complete, continue into the QA assessment window. You can also navigate to assigned QA assessments via the dashboard. On the QA dashboard, check the pending QA batches count. If it is greater than 0, click Select Batch to open the assessment selector. Then choose the assigned assessment you want to work on.